Today we're going to show you guys how to install the Strictly 7.3 dipstick adapter. This thing is the best. Freshly CNC'd, bolt-on application. All you got to do is unscrew it, kick that old piece in the bottom of the oil pan, like
we might have done accidentally,
which is
why we're doing this video.
We're going to show you guys how it's done, how to put it on, and why it works. First thing you guys got to do is drain that engine oil. It's not required, but honestly, I would highly recommend it. It just makes it a lot easier to not make a mess and get your pan clean. Then we're going to move to pulling that passenger side CAC tube, your intercooler tube. Or, clamps at the top and bottom. It's pretty simple. Go ahead and pull that thing out after you loosen it up. Then we're going to unbolt that dipstick tube. It's just hiding right there. It's kind of, just like south of your AC compressor. Once you got those bolts out, go ahead and pull your dipstick, unclip all those factory clips holding all your wires, and then pull the tube out. Next up, disconnect your battery, because Charlie's about to tell you here later in this video what happens if you don't. Super simple, 8mm bolt, big power feed bolt. Pull off those 3 mounting bolts, pull it out, and then clean as much as you can. There's gonna be a lot of crap, tons of crap, just like us. On this truck, it was leaking for forever. Yeah, just move it to the side so she's not in the way. Don't forget to take off your old O-ring. Pretty important. You don't want to reuse that. They're just crap. We like to do a bunch of cleaning with the old adapter in place so you're not blowing too much crap into the engine. That's a good rule of thumb. Try to keep the, the dirt and nasty stuff. All right, once you got her cleaned up, go ahead and get yourself a bore brush, pair of needle nose pliers, something like that, just to stick in where the tube goes. You're trying to keep it from falling into the pan as you're loosening the nut. Now the reason we're doing this, because in the instructions, right, you're thinking, well, I just kicked the adapter into the pan, who cares? Well, you got this big factory O-ring. These things are pretty nasty. There's a chance it could get picked up by the oil pump pickup tube. So you don't want that. Play it safe. Hold on to the adapter, pull the O-ring, and then kick it into the bottom of the pan, bottom of the sump.
Yeah, man,
once you do that, it's time to clean again, guys. You already cleaned once, clean again, clean some more. And then partially disassemble that adapter. It'll show you how to do it in the instructions. You just back one screw out and it'll stop. You take the other one out all the way, slide that bad boy in there and tighten it down. Make sure you got it engaged into the right tab on the pan. Just check your clocking.
There it is. I think I'm in the hole. I think it's in.
It's in the hole.
You guys done yet?
Not yet, Charlie. All right, there you are.
Everybody remembers their first time this started leaking. I remember I was on my way back from Sholo in the middle of the mountains and it just started pissing oil all over the place. I had to fix it on the side of the road. It was rough.
Well, if you had to fix it on the side of the road, you should have done this one because you've got the practices.
I did not do a good job fixing it. I think I remember I pulled the dipstick tube adapter and pushed it up and arced the starter and the whole dipstick tube adapter started glowing red.
Well, that's good. That's a free weld to the pan.
I mean, at that point, I was deciding whether to let the truck burn to the ground or fix it and drive it home, but I did fix it and drive it home.
So once you got her snugged up, go ahead and get her torque to spec.
Oh, they got torque to spec, dude. What is it? What'd you say, 110?
It says 80 to 100, so I got it set at 100 because that seems like a better number than 80.
This feels more righter.
Would have been better had it been 69. Oh, that's the other one that's leaking.
There you go, torque to spec.
You don't have an issue on new parts not working from Strictly or Casey turbos.
That is a good point. Let's Tyler builds them.
Start by sticking your dipstick tube through the motor mount bracket. Just kidding, don't do that. It's good to have 2 people here for this. Have someone up top to guide it down, make sure it's going in the right spot, and someone on bottom to line it up with the new Strictly dipstick adapter. So as you can see here, it's kind of a little bit of a fight wiggling it around, getting the top side lined up with the bracket bolt and getting the bottom side, make sure it's lined up with the new adapter hole. And then Tony's gonna crawl back under here for me and put her back together. Here he is. Don't forget to put on that fresh new O-ring. So I do believe this is included in the kit. Look at this bad boy. Bright blue, it's hard to miss, but some people do miss it and then it's just gonna leak again. So put some lube on it, drop that new O-ring in there, slide her on in the adapter, Then you're just gonna throw it all back together. It's all just gonna fall back into pieces, you know. It's like Lego. It's like big, oily, dirty, smoky, messy Lego. Put that starter back up in now. See the big honking battery cable? Man, that thing's huge. Put on your 3 bolts. The 2 bottom ones are real easy peasy. The top one is kind of a pain. But yeah, toss it back in there. Put all your clips back together. And fill her up, dude. Fill her up, Buttercup.
Wow, thanks, Tony.
Yeah, man.